beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here. If you are new here, welcome. It's been a quite while that I haven't filmed any video because I was very busy and I was not feeling well too. So I tried to take a break and do self-care instead of trying to push pressure on myself to film video. And I work full-time and family, all kind of things, because self-care is very important. And when you try to pressure yourself and stress out yourself, then it's not good for your mental health too. So I decided to take a little break. I'm back now and I'm here and I'm very excited to share with you. I am going to do a unboxing. This is a little unboxing video. I'm not going to take a long time. We're going to do the really quick video. Last week, April 2nd, was our anniversary. And my husband, he surprised me with a small gift, and I'm very excited to share with you guys what I got for my anniversary. So my anniversary, our anniversary is in April 2nd and my birthday is in April 6th. So we did not do anything because my auntie, she passed away last week, one day before our anniversary. So I was not really into mood to do anything. I was very sad and stayed home. We didn't do anything, but still he managed to surprise me with this small gift. The gift I got it is from Van Cleef. Here is a bag, and this is my first Van Cleef jewelry, and I am so happy, and I really wanted to wear that on my anniversary day, but I want to do the unboxing and I want to share with you guys what I got. And I waited for like whole week and finally I'm unboxing this. I'm so excited. I bought this from Neiman Marcus Van Cleef in Dallas. They're opening a beautiful boutique of Van Cleef. So I was waiting for them to open so I can buy my first Van Cleef jewelry. But I don't know when they said like a spring, and it's already spring and they're not open yet. We got it from Neiman Marcus and it comes with all this bag, and I really like this design in the bag. I don't know, I love the bags and I am so sucker of the packagings and everything. So this is the items is inside this box. This is so cute. I can't wait to share with you. Do you guys have any guess at what I got? What it comes with inside? He gave me a little pouch for my jewelry, and he also gave me a little cleaning cloth from, it says Neiman Marcus, every cleaning cloth. I love these little details, Van Cleef and Arpels and all this little butterfly. I love the small details. I'm such a detail oriented person. If I go somewhere, I'm always looking every single details. I love the small things, and I love these two little butterflies, and butterflies are my favorite, and I love the color too. Oh, this is just the receipt that we purchased. This is the receipt. This is a catalog. It says Van Cleef and Arpels, and oh, this is from the 1906. Look at these photos. I love old pictures. And this is certificate. I don't need to show you that this is a certificate. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Oh, look at this little card. This is a card, and look at this, all this watercolor painting. It's so pretty, and it has all the details on the back. They wrote it down, and it's so cute. I love this. Look at this. I love this. I can literally frame this one and put it on. It's so pretty. Look at this, so beautiful with those umbrella. And oh, look at this, so cute. Oh, these are so cute. I can literally frame this. This came into this little pouch. The guy that I bought this in Neiman Marcus, he was really nice. He was a little older salesperson, and he was really nice. And he wanted me to like buy this like a diamond ring. It was like a 98,000. Oh my gosh, it was so beautiful. Let's open this box, and I can't wait to open and share with you guys what I got for my anniversary gift. By the way, this is our 6 years anniversary. So let's open it. I can't believe that we've been married for 6 years now. The best things ever happened to me is marrying my best friend. He is amazing. Okay, so here is a white box in this. Let me put this down. And there is another green box. I love this green color. This is so beautiful. This is my color. Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, ta-da! Look at this. It's so beautiful. I got a gold Alhambra pendant necklace. This is so beautiful, and it's in the onyx. I like the pearl. I like the mother of pearl one too, but some reason this one, and you guys know that I love black and white. I like pearl too, but when I wear this one, my salespersons and my husband both, when I wore it, they said that the black one onyx looks so beautiful on my skin tone. So here is my necklace, and so I am so excited to add this into my jewelry collection. Let me take this out. He told me that if it's too long or too small, they can put the link and they can even adjust. I love this little design. Look at how pretty is this. It's so beautiful. It feels very heavy and very nice. And it has a little link here if you want to, like, you know, layering. Like right now I have my wedding gift and my eye necklace, and if I want to do the layering, then you can adjust with this little adjust ring over here. And he told me that he can add me more, or he can take, like, you know. So let me try it on and see how it looks. There you go. Did you guys see my, I think I wrong shirt, but this is how it looks. Look at how pretty is this. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I have this necklace in my collection now. I don't just buy things, I buy things. All these jewelries are for my special day. Like this one is from my anniversary gift. This Cartier love ring is my anniversary ring. Of course, this is my wedding ring. This is my, I think, my 3rd anniversary ring, and this is my mom gift that I always wear it in my hand. And this is the Tiffany, the little necklace one, the Tiffany one. Where is that? It's my wedding gift, and now this is my anniversary gift. So I have to wear everything every day. And I try to wear everything every day because life is too short and you don't know what's gonna happen, and if something happened, then I will never get a chance to wear my jewelry. So I just wear everything. So now on, I'm just gonna wear like all this into my necklace and my hands, and I'm just gonna be a little jewelry girl that wears a lot of jewelry. And I'm so happy now. I can't wait to add like a slowly with my earrings, this earrings and bracelet and all the items from Van Cleef. But I'm very, very happy with their service, and I'm very happy with their all the packaging, and I just love the little dainty jewelry, and I'm so glad that it added to my collection. So here is my little small anniversary gift. I hope you guys like it. I don't know much things about this, so I might do maybe the review video later on this one, but right now this is the first time that I'm wearing it, so I'm very happy, and I can't wait to wear every day. And I will tell you maybe in a few months, like, you know, how much I like it. I'm gonna buy the more items from Van Cleef or no, but right now I'm just so excited, and then definitely I think that I will buy more. So this is my small Van Cleef my anniversary gift unboxing. If you guys like it, then make sure you do thumbs up, and also before you head out, you hit that red subscribe button down below and be a part of my YouTube family. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Stay safe.